Vehicles. Let's learn about vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a car. Car. Cars are four-wheeled vehicles used for traveling on roads. They come in many colors and sizes and are one of the most common types of transport. This is a bus. Bus. Buses are large vehicles that carry many passengers at once. They travel on set routes and are an important way for people to get around cities. This is a truck. Truck. Trucks are strong vehicles used to carry heavy goods. They have big wheels and engines, and they transport food, building materials, and more. This is a taxi. Taxi. Taxis are cars that take people where they need to go. They usually have special signs on top and are painted in bright colors. This is a police car. Police car. Police cars help officers travel quickly to keep people safe. They have sirens and flashing lights to clear the road in emergencies. This is a fire truck. Fire truck. Fire trucks are big red vehicles that carry firefighters. They have ladders, hoses, and water to put out fires and rescue people in danger. This is an ambulance. Ambulance. Ambulances are emergency vehicles that take sick or injured people to the hospital. They have sirens, flashing lights, and medical equipment inside. This is a motorcycle. Motorcycle. Motorcycles are two-wheeled vehicles. They are fast, small, and easy to ride through traffic. Many people use them for travel in cities. This is a bicycle. Bicycle. Bicycles are two-wheeled vehicles powered by pedaling. They are healthy, eco-friendly, and fun for both children and adults to ride. This is a train. Train. Trains run on tracks and can carry many people or goods over long distances. Some trains are very fast, while others carry heavy loads. This is an airplane. Airplane. Airplanes fly in the sky and take people long distances quickly. They have wings, engines, and can carry many passengers around the world. This is a helicopter. Helicopter. Helicopters fly using spinning blades on top. They can hover in one place and are used for rescue, transport, and filming from the sky. This is a ship. Ship. Ships are large boats that travel across seas and oceans. They carry people, cars, and cargo. Cruise ships are like floating hotels. This is a boat. Boat. Boats are smaller than ships and travel on rivers, lakes, and near the coast. People use them for fishing, transport, and fun rides. This is a rocket. Rocket. Rockets are powerful vehicles that fly into space. They carry astronauts and satellites beyond Earth's atmosphere and help explore the universe. Great job! Now you know vehicles.